Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a short video on how I flatten my cookie before I place them in the oven. As a matter of fact, I flatten them, then as you can see from the video, there are a couple of rough edges, so I will also show you later how I make those a bit rounder so that when they bake smoother. So what I'm basically doing now is just flattening the cookie. I dip the glass in sugar and I flatten the cookie. So now I'm going to find a container that just fits the size of each of my cookie. I see what I'm doing, so I kind of rub it around the edges just a little bit. While I do that, it makes the rough edges a bit rounder. That way when they bake nicer. You don't see the roughness anymore. So you can use anything you have. Just make sure that whatever you are going to use is larger than the size of the cookie. So I use it for small cookies. If I'm doing a small cookie, I look for a small container. If I'm doing large cookies, I look for a larger size container, something that can help me go around the cookies without necessarily affecting the other ones by the side. So yes, so this is just a simple way to do that. I hope this video helps somebody. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.